What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Man. Today, let me show you how you can remove green screen using Premiere Pro. Let's start by opening your Adobe Premiere Pro. From here, open your project. So I have these two videos ready. I have my background video and the video with a green screen, which is actually my subject. Let's click all the videos here and drop it here. So as you can see, they are aligned. What we want to do is to drag this green screen on the top of our cover video. After that, navigate to your right and go to the Effects tab. After that, search for the Ultra key right here. Click the Ultra key tool and let's drop it on our green screen video. On the top, you can see this editing tools. Just click this eyedropper tool and select the green part of your screen. It will automatically remove the green screen on your video. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.